Good morning students. Let's begin exercise 3.2. Question number first. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. First is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And here x lies in third quadrant. Okay. So in third quadrant cos x is negative. There are two methods to solve this type of questions. First, by using identities. Okay, so here cos x is given minus 1 by 2. You all know that sec x is reciprocal of cos x. Okay, so sec x is minus 2. Now next, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, so sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Here substitute the value of cos x. It's minus 1 by 2 square and you will get 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so it's 3 by 4. Now x lies in third quadrant. Therefore sin x is negative. So value of sin x is minus root 3 by 2. Okay, and now for next cosec x. It is reciprocal of sin x. So value of cosec x is minus 2 by root 3. Okay, clear? Move for next. Sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So for find the tan x, it is plus minus root sec square x minus 1, or you can apply tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Okay, and tan x is positive in third quadrant, so take only plus value. Here sec x is minus 2, so it's minus 2 square minus 1. Okay, so it is 4 minus 1 means root 3. Now cot x is 1 by tan x. Okay, so it is 1 by root 3. Okay, here we have applied the formulas or identity. Alternate method is also here and I hope it would be easy. So method second. Take a triangle. Here angle is x, it's 90. Let A, B and C. Here given that is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so here base is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. You can find AB. Okay, it is root 4 minus 1, so it's root 3 according to Pythagoras. Here now AB is root 3. Now find sin x. Okay, sin x is perpendicular by hypotenuse, you know. So here perpendicular is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. And now check the quadrant. Okay, so here x is in third quadrant. Okay, so take negative sign. Clear? Now move. Cosec x is minus 2 by root 3 as previous I have included, and tan x, it is perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. So it's root 3 by 1. Okay, and tan x is positive in third quadrant. So answer tan x is equal to root 3. And now cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, cos is given. So reciprocal of cos is sec. Here sec x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so by the triangle method also you can find the all trigonometric functions. Question number 2. Here sin x is given 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. Okay, and then we have to find other 5 trigonometric function. So first of all, here given that sin x 3 by 5. Okay, so we can find cosec x. It is 1 by sin x. So it is 5 by 3. Okay, clear? And now apply the triangle method. Here ABC is a triangle. Okay, B angle is 90 and here it's x. Sin x, sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So first find BC. According to Pythagoras, it is 5 square minus 3 square. You will get 25 minus 9. It's 16. Okay, so here plus minus 4. Now find cos x. Cos x, it's base by hypotenuse. So base is e plus minus 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Now see, x lies in second quadrant. Therefore cos x is negative. Okay, so cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, and sec x, it is minus 5 by 4. Now find tan x. Tan x. Okay, tan x is perpendicular by base. So it's 3 by plus minus 4. Now tan x is negative in second quadrant. So tan x is minus 3 by 4. Okay, and cot x minus 4 by 3, reciprocal of tan x. Question number 3rd. Question is cot x is equal to 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant. You know students that in third quadrant cot x and tan x both are positive. Okay, here cot x is given 3 by 4. So tan x is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, and now you can apply identity method or triangle method, any one. Here it's x. Tan x, it is perpendicular by base. So first find AC, hypotenuse. It is 4 square plus 3 square. Everyone knows Pythagoras. And here it's 16 plus 9, 25. So plus minus 5. Okay, and now find sin x. Sin x is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It's hypotenuse. X lies in third quadrant. Okay, So sin x is negative. Okay, and next write sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Cosec x, it is reciprocal of sin x, minus 5 by 4. Okay, and now find cos x. Cos x is base by hypotenuse. Here base is 3 and hypotenuse is plus minus 5. X lies in third quadrant. Okay, and cos x is negative. Okay, so value of cos x is minus 3 by 5. Okay, now sec x, it is minus 5 by 3, reciprocal of cos x. So by this method you can find all trigonometric functions. Question number 4. Here sec x is equal to 13 by 5. It's given x lies in fourth quadrant. So sec x is equal to 13 by 5. Okay, x lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, therefore cos x is a positive. Okay, in fourth quadrant, and it is 1 by sec x, so it is 5 by 13. Okay, and now sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so it's 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. You will get 1 minus 25 by 169. Now move ahead. Here sin square x is equal to 144 by 169. Okay, so sin x is equal to plus minus 12 by 13. Okay, and now x lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, and sin x will be negative. Therefore sin x is equal to minus 12 by 13. Okay, and cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. It's also negative, so it's minus 13 by 12. Okay, and now find tan x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Okay, and here sin x is minus 12 by 13 and cos x is 5 by 13. So you will get minus 12 by 15. Okay, and cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So it is minus 5 by 12. Okay, so I have been explained both methods. Okay, next question. Find the values of trigonometric function. Okay, and it is sin 765. So students, for this question, sin 765 degree, you can write sin 2 into 360 degree. Okay, and then plus 45 degree. Okay, since 360 into 2 it becomes 720 and 720 plus 45 makes 765. And now see, it means 2 revolution has been completed and the function is in first quadrant. Okay, so here it is sin 45 degree only, and write the value of sine 45. It is 1 by root 2. Okay, and you can write that sine n into 360 degree plus x is equal to its sine x. Okay, for all n belongs to z integers. Next question, question number 7, cosec minus 1410 degree. Okay, so first of all, cosec minus theta. Okay, it is minus cosec theta. It is in fourth quadrant. So cosec minus 1410 degree becomes minus cosec 1410 degree. Now convert it into acute angle. Okay, so you can write it's 1440 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, if you solve this you will get 1410 degree, and now it is minus cosec 1440. It is the 4 into 360 degree. It means that 4 revolution has been completed, and here now it is a fourth quadrant. Okay, since 2 pi minus theta it is in fourth quadrant, so you have to write minus cosec and it's minus 30. Okay, so it is minus minus plus cosec 30 degree, and now write the value of cosec 30. It is 2 only. Okay, so answer is 2. Write cosec 30 degree and cosec 30 is 2. So answer is 2 only. Question is 10 19 pi by 3. So first of all, write it's 18 pi plus pi by 3. So it will be 10. Now divide by 3. 6 pi plus pi by 3. It means it is the 2 pi into 3. 3 revolutions completed. Okay, and now function is in first quadrant. Write 10 pi by 3 and write the value of 10 pi by 3. It's root 3. Now you have to write here 10 nx plus x is equal to its 10x. Okay, question is find sine minus 11 pi by 3. You know that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, so first step for this minus 11 pi by 3, it is minus sine 11 pi by 3. Now change into the acute angle. Okay, so you can write here it's 12 pi minus pi by 3. It becomes 11 pi by 3. Okay, and now write minus sine divided by 3, 12 pi, you will get 4 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, and now see it's 4 pi minus theta means fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sine is negative and it is already negative, so it becomes plus. Okay, and sine pi by 3, and now write the value of sine pi by 3. It is under root 3 by 2. Okay, next question, cot minus 15 pi by 4. So it is also in fourth quadrant, and cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay, so first step, cot minus 15 pi by 4, it is minus cot 15 pi by 4, and now convert into acute angle. You can write 4 pi minus pi by 4. When you take LCM, it is 16 pi minus pi. It becomes 15 pi by 4. Okay. And again it is in the fourth quadrant. Cot is negative in fourth quadrant. So minus minus becomes plus. Okay. So only write here cot pi by 4. And value of cot pi by 4, it's 1. Okay. So answer is 1.